guys, I'm just going to start off looking at stocks here. This is the S&P 500, the biggest one of the lot. I'm just noticing that it's hit that sort of oversold level. It's also hit, stopped and closed just on the 50 fib from the lows, having come up here, and it's retraced to the 50 Fibonacci, and looks to be, well, it's early days, obviously. It's only a couple of hours into the US night market, just showing a bit of strength there. And knowing how stupid stocks can get, there might be some buying here, finding some sort of support, which is quite incredible considering the bond market, whilst the long end of the bond market didn't really travel very far. Certainly the short end is the longest or the highest since it's been since 2007, I think. 2007. This is the 10-year yield, so certainly a lot of strength there in the short end as rates and credit get crunched. Also getting crunched was the commodity index. See that here, as gold, oil, iron ore, coal, Australian coal, natural gas, and even copper, all getting smashed. Well, weakness, and quite a large move down by the commodity index. So stocks are their own beast, really. Wouldn't be surprised if it rallies from here, just because they really don't follow what's happening economically. They always play catch up. Going into the currencies, we're seeing US dollar a tad weaker, as a bit of strength in the euro coming back in. The euro did tag this level here, these lows, so it doesn't really need to come back and fill it in. It's sort of already done that. But it might come and have another look at it in coming days, and then wear off. But we're still getting that downtrend of lower highs and lower lows, so that's H, and lower lows each time. So each low is lower than the previous one, and that's been the trend since, well, April or mid last year, mid 2021. And that hasn't shown any signs of really stopping, and with what headwinds they're facing, I doubt it's really going to stop anyway. So yeah, US dollar index, bit of weakness from the euro, strength, but I still see upside there with the US Treasury market heading north, and particularly if the stock market and the safe haven flow, the stock market crashes and we see safe haven flow. So yeah, I look to, I think need to be a little bit patient on this one. We might see a bit more euro there, and so buying US dollars might be something later this week or early next week.